I'm not going up there. So this is going to be a walk to show you what it's like at night. Namaste.
Okay.
Namaste.
Yes.
No.
Sunglass?
No. To show you what it's like at night walking through Paharganj. So I'm starting right at the top at the New Delhi station. Show you that. Alright, so from here on, I'll just be showing you exactly what the traffic's like, what the congestion's like. Keep taking into consideration that the beeping of the horns to someone from the west is anger. In India, it isn't anger. It's just a warning to tell you that they're there. And I have to say, in the 20 years I'm coming here, and even when this street has doubled in width since then, I've never been clipped. I've never been clipped by any rickshaws, motorbikes, nothing. So here's the walk from Delhi station all the way through Paharganj Main Bazaar. Rachaji. Now the time is 6:15, so I think we might have missed the rush, but you'll see as it gets deeper and deeper into the main bazaar how it changes. And the further up we get, it gets quite hectic. But it's a good hectic, I think.
वो बोल रहे थे कि उस यहाँ पर भी कोई लगा
Okay, G. Namaste ji, Hare Krishna. It starts getting thicker here. Hello, friend. All good. Namaste ji. It starts getting thicker here. Hello. Good. So this is the main bazaar. We're coming up to the intersection. This is where it tends to converge. It gets a little bit denser. Hey.
Hello? Hello?
Center of the main bazaar. A lot of people seem to do U-turns. Okay. Now, up until about 10-20 years ago, this street was half the width. So we doubled it with the same amount of vehicles. So doubling the size of it doesn't seem to make much difference. So shortly that'll have been the full length of the Paharganj. Just to show you the traffic. Seems to be blocked up the top. Listen to the horns blowing. Yeah. Nahi chahiye ji. Hello. The pollution is out of this world. Look at this. I'm not going up there. I'm not going up there. So that's about as far as I'm going because you just can't get through here on either side unless you're in a rickshaw. But that's what it is. That's what it's like at this time. As I said, I believe the beeping of the horns that freaks everyone out when they arrive. That's not anger. I think you tend to think it's anger because that's what we do in the West. Someone beeps at me once or twice in the West and I think that's fighting actions. Where here, it's just, whoa. It's just giving you an idea that they're coming. Just to give you a little bit of a warning. But that's all. But as you can see, I don't think I got the busiest time, but as you can see, it's pretty crazy. And I think you get kind of addicted to that craziness. I miss it when I go. The noise, the just absolute madness of it all, the intensity of it all. the hustle and the bustle in the streets and the greenbacks rustle. It's quite unique here, and that's why I love it.